So for today's video, guys, I'm making this video because I think this is the exchange that I'm going to use basically forever. And I'm gonna tell you guys why I'm using this and what is like my background on why I love this exchange basically. And of course, if you haven't subscribed into our channel, please do not forget to subscribe right now. Again, this is Crypto Addict in here, back again with new contents every single day. And let's just jump right into it, okay? So for example, guys, as you can see in here, Bybit is like one of the exchanges that I would say they're like top three, right? It's always like Binance, OKX, and Bybit, right? So if we're gonna talk about Bybit, to be honest, everything is just here. Like you can trade spot, you can trade futures, you can trade options, you can even trade gold if you love Forex. And also on top of it, you can even do copy trading. You can also do AI trading as well. You can use trading bot. You can also use trading view, which is pretty much like actually not free if you're using it directly on their website, which is tradingview.com. And also on top of it, you can also do demo trading. And for someone who are not yet familiar on how to trade in crypto, guys, you're using leverage, you're using there's like two things, right? It's either cross or the other one around. So in my opinion, demo trading, I think they have like one of the most smoothest experience that I've already like seen. And on top of it, guys, they also cater P2P trading, which means you do not need to use your card. What you just need to do is actually buy from a merchant inside P2P and then have it like deposit the funds into you when you deposit the funds into the merchant, right? And now let's dive deeper onto this like video. So they have some new products. First of all is the Bybit card, which you can spend your crypto by using your card. To be honest, I even have it here. Let me just find it for you guys. I have it here. The Bybit card is kind of good too. And as you can see in here in the screen, I already got like $83 cash back. And this is my Bybit card. As you can see, I just requested this online, and also on top of it, guys, this is entirely free. But of course, this is available especially if you are a VIP trader. So which means if you are trading $100,000 worth of account, then you can be able to request for a Bybit card. So this is pretty much hard to get, but to be honest, it's super super worth it because like for example, see here, just here, guys, I even bought like gentle monsters and gentle monster. I also use it for my flights, coffee, and other stuff as well. And yeah, I mean that's pretty much it for this Bybit card. Also, guys, they do have a crypto loans, which means if you have like money inside, okay, you want to borrow to be able to, maybe you want to spend it somewhere. Maybe you're buying an NFT whitelisting. Maybe there's an NFT launch, then definitely you can use crypto loans for you to be able to get like the amount that you need. But of course, there's always like a maximum amount and borrowing limits as well on top of it. And also you need to put some collateral as well. And then also the long term is not that bad. I mean, 30 days is like 0.03%, 0.003%. It's even smaller than I think on banks, isn't it? Let me just double check for you guys. But basically, guys, the annual the annual interest rate is pretty much low. But like, only use this, guys, if you're using it to maybe buy a node or different crypto nodes. Never ever use this if you want to pay your bills or stuff, okay? Because of course, um crypto loans only serve its purpose if you're also buying crypto, okay? And if you want to like leverage, maybe you're staking and different stuff. So that's pretty much it for crypto loans. They also have Bybit Web3. So for those people, I do think that this is the most important part of the video because Web3 wallet for like a specific exchange is very important, because I do think people are kind of like moving towards like complete decentralization, you know what I mean? Because if you're using an exchange, like a centralized exchange, whether you're using Bybit, whether you're using OKX or even Binance, you're subject to KYC, right? So when you created your account, you need to verify your account, you need to submit your passports and different stuff. And that defeats decentralization, because they know you, right? But Web3, I do think Web3 is gonna get bigger, like the cloud wallets, because I do think more people are gonna more inclined into using those cloud wallets, Web3 wallets, rather than those CEX wallets, you know. So there's difference, okay? So you're when you're trading inside a platform, inside an exchange, it is a CEX wallet. But if you're trading in via Web3 platform or Web3 cloud wallet, you're actually using DEX wallet. So it's kind of like similar into MetaMask. Okay, so definitely you should take advantage of it. I do believe that out of any other exchanges, Bybit has one of the really good airdrop airdrop like promotion campaigns that always like going like ongoing, you know what I mean? And also on top of that, I mean, it's very easy to join. Like when you just click it, just like how I'm sharing it to you guys, you just see here that you just need to like follow them, repost, and then if you also trade, then you're also like entitled to get these rewards, right? And as you can see here, not much people are actually like taking advantage of it, you know. There's only like 10,000 people, and how many people already like trading, you know? There's millions. Heck, it's even tens of millions already, right? But as you can see here, not much people are doing airdrops inside cloud wallet, which I do think is kind of like important, because when you're doing airdrop, it's very essential that you're joining airdrop that's not that saturated, which means there's not much people like participating out of it, you know. So I do think it's definitely good. But yeah, I mean, definitely you should take advantage out of it. Also on top of it, this is like ongoing on a monthly basis. So I do think that even if you just join right now, then definitely you can still get part of this like new campaigns wherein we can definitely join. So also guys, I already put every single thing into my description box below. So feel free to like sign up for your Bybit as well. And that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Again, this is Crypto Addict in here, back again with new contents every single day, guys. And that's pretty much it. Why I'm choosing Bybit. I do think it's gonna last for a long time, and they're also like licensed to almost everywhere, almost globally. But like you have like Vaspis in Dubai, and also it's almost you can almost like access Bybit in anywhere, I think, except United States. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys, and see you on the next video, and thank you so much for watching.